Hi, I'm Callum from Minors and Brady, and today we're over in Honingham to look at this amazing 4-bed detached property. Let's have a look. Upon entering, you're met with this fantastic entrance hall, heading off in all different directions. On your right here, you've got the study, and then through there is the annex, but we'll get to that bit in a minute. Just on your left here, you've got a really nice seating area, carpeted, so you can obviously take your shoes off and put them on without having to ruin the floor. Now, if you head through here, on your left, you've got the really, really nice kitchen, all done under trims with the strip lights, breakfast bar, all built-in appliances as well. Really, really versatile space. As with all of the rooms in the property, there are so many windows just drawing so much more light, just bouncing off all the light units as well. Now with the kitchen, you've actually got access into your front garden. Don't be fooled though, we have the rear garden to have a look at as well. So as previously mentioned, on the right, heading through into the annex area, you're first greeted with this formal dining area, which also leads into the garden. You've got the double doors that go into there, so it'll be really nice sitting down here in the summer with the family. Heading off the formal dining area, we come into this conservatory where the vendors have actually been able to join both properties into one. Now personally, I would sit right there, look out into the garden, music on the AirPods, just watching the river flow by. Even on a day like today, in the middle of December, it's really nice. So the property is situated in nearing 3/4 of an acre. As you can see, there's copious amounts of storage outside as well. You've got a few greenhouses and a brick-built shed down at the end. And on the other side of the property, you've got a garage and a workshop. Now, it's ideal really for anyone who's looking for that country life aspect while still having easy access to Norwich. Speaking of the countryside, at the end of the garden, you have actually got your very own part of the River Tud, which just helps draw in so much wildlife. Whilst me and Dan have been here, we've actually seen squirrels, ducks, deer, such a serene place to watch the world go by. Coming through the conservatory into what used to be the old kitchen, the vendors have actually now converted it into the utility room. Again, with really, really high spec units as well. Heading through into what has to be my favourite room, the games room. Comes equipped with a snooker table. Obviously won't come with the property, but you can obviously have it however you want as a secondary lounge, an office space. Again, so much scope with this room. And also the centerpiece of the room, the log burner. This pumps out so much heat, surrounded by the marble effect tiles to match the flooring in the rest of the property. You can imagine just sitting in here in the winter months and just keeping it nice and toasty. So at the end of the games room, you come to the bedroom and also a really well finished shower room as well. This would be ideal for when you've got family coming over, or if you've got multi-generational living, teenagers, parents, you can just keep them on this side of the property and have their own space. It's really, really good. So if you follow me through into what is probably the main feature of the property, you're greeted with bifold doors that lead into the garden and a great patio area. The staircase over there, and probably the nicest looking fireplace that I've seen. Just sits seamlessly into the wall as well. With the triple height vaulted ceiling, it gives you that sense of still allowing to be cozy, but also having an immense amount of space in here as well. So let's head upstairs and check out the bedrooms. So off the landing, you've got all the bedrooms on your right, all really good sizes as well. Now, if you follow me to the end, on your left here, you've got the upstairs bathroom. No expense spared either, all really, really top quality. And then to the master, kept uniform as well. So all the bathrooms, all the toilets are all kept the same style, which is really nice. And here we are in the master bedroom. You can really get a sense of it being the master with the ensuite there. Tucked away around the corner, you've got like a balcony which is covered as well. Sit out there with your morning coffee, really nice. And what the vendors have done is they've actually incorporated this area into a dressing room that just overlooks the garden. A window here and a window right there overlooking the river. The vendors have made such a good use of the space all throughout the property. I mean, going around it, you're met with a different surprise around every corner. It's just a house that keeps giving. If you're interested in beautiful properties like this, give Minors and Brady a call and allow us to help you with your move.